So just had to stop recording there because the chap I ended up speaking to didn't know I was recording, so I wanted to let him know. The fellow guide dog owner, nice chap actually. Known of him for a long time, so it's nice to meet him. But while the camera was off, and this one I need a GoPro, y'all. Find the way, Ash. Sorry. It's because when the camera was off, find the door, Ash. So we're going to just open the door here. Up you go, Ash. Come on then, let's have a seat, shall we? Come down, Ashy dog. Should we chance this one? You're right there. In you go, Ash.
Landscape. Home button to the right. Speech off.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, Ash.
It's alright.
Usher, come sit down. That's it, you should behave. And here we are. Good boy, Usher. That's a good boy. Is that not in your way? Sorry.
No, he's alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, he should lie fairly still.
Can I pat him? Or...
Yeah. You got his back end, unfortunately.
Oh, that's alright. Hello. Oh, gorgeous.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're a good boy, aren't you, Usher?
What's his name?
Usher.
Usher.
Yeah, I've got a Birmingham accent, so I say Usher, and everyone goes, "What you want about?" I say Usher, and everyone thinks like, "What with an A?" Usher, you've been a good boy.
Around London with him.
Yeah, just come through. So we've come from Birmingham, and then on the train, so then to London Euston, through London Euston on the underground, on the escalators,
Oh, right.
and then down here, ready to get off at Orpington. So yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Where are you heading to?